So over here, you can see that I got a project, and let's say I want to back up this project in case I make some wrong edits to it. Or maybe I want to send this off to someone else. Then you can easily do that by going into the file menu and by going into the save project option right here. In the save project option, you can see that below the save project and save project as, there's backup project option. Once you click on this, what happens is that you create a backup of the project. It's same format as the regular project. It's just a backup. So I'm just going to go around and say backup_1 right here, save it out, and it gets saved out as a backup file right here. And now what happens is that it does not open up that backup file. You can continue editing on this. Let's say, for example, I'm going to continue editing. And now if I were to save another backup, I'm going to go around into save project. I'm going to go around into backup. So let's say this is going to be backup 2 right here. It does not open up the backup right here. I can go around, and now if I were to save this project, then it gets saved out as a different project right here, as you can see. So now if I want to access the backup, I can simply go around and then double click, and you can see that the previous versions of the file are still there. So if I were to make some mistakes, then you can see that the backup file is there for the rescue. And that is how you can backup project inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.